Are you trying to choose between Passbolt and Vaultwarden? It can be tough to decide. In this video, we'll compare these two password management tools. Both help you keep your online account safe, but they have different features that might suit your needs better. Let's start with Passbolt. This tool is designed for teams. It focuses on collaboration and sharing passwords securely. Passbolt has a user friendly interface. It allows you to manage passwords easily, and you can share them with your team members with just a few clicks. Now, let's look at Vaultwarden. This is a open source password manager. It's great for individuals and small teams. Vaultwarden is known for being lightweight and easy to set up. It offers a lot of customization options, which is perfect if you like to tweak your tools. So, what are the main differences? Passbolt is more team oriented, it shines in collaborative environments. On the other hand, Vaultwarden is more flexible for personal use and small groups. When it comes to features, Passbolt offers secure sharing, team management, and integration with various applications. Vaultwarden provides essential password management features along with self-hosting options for users who want more control. In terms of pricing, Passbolt has a free version, but its premium features come at a cost. Vaultwarden is open source, so it's free if you host it yourself. There may be costs if you choose a hosted version. So, who should choose what? If you work in a team and need strong collaboration tools, go with Passbolt. If you want something simple and customizable, Vaultwarden is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this.